Hello, in this video I want to show you how to install Firefox browser on Samsung Galaxy A20s. And to do this you will need to open a Google Play Store, inside find Firefox. Then when it's ready you can open a browser. Here we can customize it with a different theme, pick your toolbar placement, sign in to turn on synchronization, switch between privacy protection settings, read the privacy notice, and finally click on Start Browsing. Here we can open any website, and as you can see, the browser works fine. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.